Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I show you how to use your own image as chat wallpaper with a friend in the Line app. Just open the Line app and open your chat with your friend. Tap on this menu button in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings here. Click on Chat Wallpaper and then click on your photos. Then you can select your own image, adjust it a little bit and then tap on Next in the bottom right corner and done. That's basically it. You can apply it and I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.